Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, we will show you how to delete recurring events in Google Calendar. Whether we want to remove a single occurrence or the entire series, we will walk you through the simple steps. It's easy to delete and remove recurrence from Google Calendar. If we want to delete just one event, we can click on the event and choose Delete. But if we want to delete all recurring events and remove the entire series, we click on the main event occurrence, then select Edit. Here, we need to click the drop-down menu and choose Custom. Next, we select Never, so the event will no longer repeat. Or we can set it to repeat until a certain date. For example, from April 15th for just 2 days, ending on the 16th. If we want it to never repeat, we simply click Never and save. This will remove the recurrence from the event. And that's how we delete recurring events in Google Calendar. With these simple steps, we can keep our schedules clean and up to date.